Hey ninjas, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to print results on the screen and how to take input from the user. We will be using it throughout our entire journey as we write code, so let's get started and learn it. Here's our Code&Run editor, your live playground. On the left pane you write code, at the bottom is the Run button, and the right side shows your output. In JavaScript ninjas, we always use print to show output, printLine to print on a new line, and always use input to get user input. No other methods are allowed. If you try them, the code will show an error. Now let's see how they actually work. To display output, let's use print twice. See, it prints both messages on the same line. Now, instead of keeping them on the same line, let's use printLine to print those same messages. Finally, let's ask the user for input twice and print each input on a new line using printLine. See how easily we can print and take input the way we want. Now head to javascriptninjas.com, open the tutorial section for this video, and solve this simple exercises. Take your time, type carefully, and, if you're stuck, click the Reveal Answer button for guidance. Today you learned how to use the Code&Run editor, how to print text using print and printLine, and how to take input from the user using input. Now you're ready for lesson 2, variables and data types.